Here is a gorgeous Mason & Hamlin vintage console from the early 1950s. It's mahogany, it's got the fluted legs, 4 legs there, real unique cabinet. It does have the brass ferrules on the bottom of the leg there, that's what those are called. It's in all original condition. The soundboard, the bridges, the ribs, the strings, the hammers, everything is in excellent condition. Nothing needed replaced or rebuilt. Obviously it was cleaned out and the action was regulated, so it did receive a thorough reconditioning, but it didn't need more of a rebuilding like here's a Yamaha from the 60s. That's got a big crack in the bridge here. I don't know if you can see that crack right there. So that will have to be, I'll have to take the strings off and repair that. But all the pianos that come in here, the uprights especially, they come in and they're just completely filthy. And I take all the keys out, I take the actions out, and take it out back and blast all the dust out of it. And over here is where I service the actions, all the hammers and the whippings, and like this one had the hammer flange spring cords. So very common on the Yamahas, those breaks. So all those got replaced. So all the pianos that come in here receive a thorough reconditioning. It's a great sounding piano. It's in about as good condition as you'll find for its age. It wasn't a home in its entire life, so it wasn't in a school or a church where it got played 12 hours a day or something. So yeah, it's a great piano. Come try it out.